The Ahimsa Fellowship is that crucible for change which is needed for the animal welfare landscape in our country. There are billions of animals languishing in conditions we cannot even imagine. Their voices are unheard, their stories are untold. And through the course of the fellowship, I found myself going from someone who felt helpless upon seeing animals suffering to being in a space where I could constructively take steps to impact the largest number of animals possible and work towards their welfare. And the curriculum is being designed to tap into the best aspects of what all the mentors in the field before us have undergone, their experiences gathered over decades. The curriculum is not just literary or textbook. Fellows are actively encouraged to go out into the field and apply their learnings so that there is undeniable, tangible, direct impact on millions of animals around them. And the endeavor has always been to put the knowledge into practice. So the larger goal of the fellowship is to create a network of animal welfare advocates across the country who are able to impact the systemic changes that are needed, that are the need of the hour in today's time to help animals who are suffering at such a large scale. So there are fellows across the country who are able to work in the field, put their learnings, put their knowledge into force, and the result is multiple ripples connect over across the stream and a large wave of compassion may be created, which can be extended towards a large number of animals. The fellowship in that sense is truly a holistic experience. Individuals to step up and join this space and not just join but take charge of the animal welfare movement in their domain. And the fellowship provides the perfect launching pad for individuals who want to enter this professionally on a long-term basis. There are limitless opportunities for someone who has imbibed the qualities of an Ahimsa fellow, which is to be extremely persistent, to be able to zoom out and see the larger picture, as well as zoom in and look at the intricacies to be able to effectively make change on the ground. If you are looking to make a large-scale impact in the lives of millions of animals, and if you feel your calling in life leads you to the animals, the Ahimsa Fellowship is the right fit for you.